Are you tired of trying every fad diet and workout only to see no results? Imagine waking up every day feeling energized and excited about your body. What if I told you there's a supplement that can make that dream a reality? Today, we're diving deep into a review of Java Burn, a revolutionary supplement that claims to help you achieve the body of your dreams. Hi everyone, my name is Laura, and welcome to this detailed review about Java Burn. If you're on a journey to getting the body you've always wanted but feel stuck, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about Java Burn and how it can boost your confidence and self-esteem. So what exactly is Java Burn? It's a unique supplement designed to enhance your weight loss journey. The most important thing to note is where you purchase it from. Make sure to get it from their official website, and I'll leave the link in the description box below for your convenience. Now, let's talk about how Java Burn works. If you're a coffee lover, like most of us, you'll be pleased to hear that Java Burn blends seamlessly with your morning coffee. It comes in a powder form, and all you have to do is mix one packet into your coffee. Don't worry, it's tasteless and won't alter your favorite brew. Once mixed, Java Burn activates and energizes your metabolism. This means your body will burn calories more efficiently. It also aids in detoxifying your system by removing harmful toxins and impurities. It's like a cleanse for your body while also helping you lose weight, all in one go. Another great aspect of Java Burn is that it is completely natural. It's GMO-free and doesn't contain any unwanted chemicals or toxins. You can take it confidently, knowing that there are no side effects, just the benefits you're looking for. I recommend taking it every morning to give you that extra boost of energy to tackle your day. Now, what about those who have tried Java Burn? Well, people are reporting positive results. Many are shedding pounds and achieving their weight loss goals in a safe and healthy manner. Instead of extreme diets or exhausting workouts, Java Burn offers a convenient solution that works seamlessly into your routine. However, consistency is key. Be committed to your treatment. And here's another fantastic feature. Java Burn comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. This means you can try it risk-free. If you're not satisfied for any reason, just return it via the official website and get a full refund. How great is that? To sum it up, Java Burn is a coffee supplement that can accelerate your weight loss, boost your metabolism, and detoxify your body, all while being completely natural and safe. Plus, with a money-back guarantee, there's no risk in giving it a try. If you want to learn more about Java Burn, or perhaps embark on your journey to regain your confidence and wear those clothes you love again, I encourage you to visit the official website linked below. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this information helpful and that you consider giving Java Burn a chance. I'm confident you won't regret it. See you soon.